I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 24th day of March. Nice out today, but quick changes coming up. Maybe some strong storms around here tomorrow. Let's take a look. The Skycam network, first off, coming from Tuscaloosa. Already some high clouds overhead. That's coming from the subtropical jet stream, pushing high cirrus clouds over the southern half of the state this afternoon. But still, temperatures up in the low and mid-70s. Hey, look at the barge coming up the river. That's the Demopolis Skycam. Looking south, that barge being pushed north by a tugboat there. And again, we've got that veil of high cirrus clouds with the jet stream, subtropical jet. But up in Hamilton, they're not involved in that. It's mostly sunny up there. That's up in Marion County in northwest Alabama, where they are in the low and mid-70s. And there you go. There's the subtropical jet screaming in from the south underneath that upper low that's moving through the Four Corners in the southwest. And it's going to come together for what could be a pretty stormy day tomorrow. We'll check the numbers quickly. Now, these are at 1 o'clock in the warm spot in Muscle Shoals. They've had the most sun. They've got 73 up in the Quad Cities, 71 for Birmingham, Anniston, and Tuscaloosa. There's our watch warning map. A few winter weather advisories out west from Denver down toward Amarillo. Flash flood watch up for parts of Missouri. And let's look at the old convective outlook here. This is day one. The rest of this afternoon and tonight got a standard slight risk of severe weather. Out in Texas and Oklahoma, cities like Abilene, Dallas-Fort Worth, Wichita Falls, Sherman-Denison, Ardmore, Oklahoma. And look at this. Here's the new day two. Most of Alabama in a risk. It includes a large chunk of Alabama and the adjacent parts of Tennessee and Mississippi. And we'll dig a little deeper into what's happening here in just a moment. First off, the QPF chart. This is the expected rain for the next 5 days. Valid through Monday morning at 7 o'clock, Monday morning of next week. And numbers have come up a little bit now, suggesting amounts of maybe 1 to 1.5 inches. And again, this is with two events, the event tomorrow and the event on Sunday. And that might be right. Let's take a look. This is the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. There's your shortwave. Strong Vortmax down there in Arkansas. And down below that, we've got a surface low almost down to 1,000 millibars north of Memphis. And it looks like the prime window for the showers and storms will be tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, right during the peak of the daytime heating process. We'll look at some of the severe weather parameters. There's a look at the instability. This is surface-based Cape, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. And that instability axis is over the western half of the state. And again, that's probably where the severe weather threat will be maximized. Take a look at the helicity values. This is the low-level helicity, 0 to 1 kilometer. And again, numbers are pretty good. No doubt if we can get some sustained updrafts going, they could indeed rotate. And look at the energy helicity index. Again, you can see a little strip there showing up through West Alabama. Not overly impressive, but by golly, that's the STP, the significant tornado parameter. And that thing wants to bullseye right over Smith Lake with some very impressive numbers, really all the way from Demopolis to Huntsville. So we might have to go into severe weather mode tomorrow afternoon, and we figure rainfall amounts of 1/2 inch are likely, and of course with convection, some spots could see more. Now, Friday, all of that's gone. We think Friday morning will be cloudy, the sky becoming partly sunny, and cooler with the high around 60. Saturday kicking off the weekend looks good, mostly sunny and warmer, up there around 70, maybe low 70s, and already there's your new storm off to the west. And Sunday, here comes the trough. Below that, we've got a surface low again north of Memphis, 1,008 millibars. And really, Sunday will be somewhat like tomorrow, a pretty good chance of showers and storms. Let's get tomorrow's system out of here. Then we can kind of review any severe weather potential. I'd say right now it doesn't look overwhelming for severe weather, but hey, this is late March. You have to watch anything like that. And then Monday of next week, it's gone. And really, instead of the big, deep upper low developing over us this time, it's got a pretty much a clean passage. Monday might start the day with some clouds, and it will be a bit cooler, but nothing like this Monday for sure. And then Tuesday looks good of next week. And Wednesday, dry and pleasant. Well, let's head into the month of April. What do you say? April 8th. Boy, what a historic weather day for those that live in the Birmingham metro. That's the 12th anniversary of the 1998 EF5 that killed 34 people. And look at that. Big upper low just northwest of here, and that looks wet and stormy. And, of course, this will change many times before we get there. And then the next day, that is gone. That's April the 9th, with the storms moving on to the north and east. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.